EPC Group has migrated more organizations from Google Workspace to Microsoft 365 than any other consulting firm. We know every challenge, every gotcha. Your Gmail labels become Outlook folders, Google Drive files land in SharePoint with your permissions and metadata intact, Google Chat history requires special handling, meeting recordings need extraction before they're lost, calendar resources need recreation, third-party integrations need rewiring. We handle it all. Our proven migration methodology minimizes disruption. Pilot migrations validate the process. Our proprietary methodology and proven cutover process is seamless to the Microsoft ecosystem. Power BI, Power Automate, multi-factor authentication, bring your own device migrations done right. 80% of migrations lower the total cost of ownership when considering all tools needed. EPC Group handles every aspect of your Google to Microsoft migration. Technical excellence combined with change management ensures user adoption. Contact EPC Group for your free Google to Microsoft Cloud Migration Assessment. Discover how smoothly you can transition to Microsoft's ecosystem. On-premise environments, hybrid, old-school green screen, we have seen it all. EPC Group's proven migration strategies can handle environments with massive data sprawl and assign the appropriate security models needed to make it turnkey and seamless. We have seen every curveball and companies throughout North America hire EPC Group because of our proven track record. We do this daily. The right way. EPC Group. Making Google to Microsoft migration smooth like butter. Contact EPC Group today at contact@epcgroup.net and let's get your G Suite environment and any other environments that you may want to consolidate migrated over to the secure Microsoft Cloud today.